Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the continuation of Danish language tutorial. It's been a while since we posted our last video of the tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of Danish language and also we will go through simple words, common phrases and how to pronounce them. This is perfect for beginners. So don't worry if you are just starting. Let's get started and have fun learning Danish language together. So we will move on to the section 3, say where you are from. The first sentence we are going to learn is where do you live? Where do you live? In Danish, we can ask the question like Hvor bor du? Hvor bor du? Where is the question word here. So in Danish, we can pronounce where. The word can be translated as hvor. H-V-O-R. Hvor. Do you get it? Answer to the question is I live in Denmark or I come from Denmark. Do you know how to say it in Danish? In Danish, we can say it as Jeg bor i Danmark. Jeg bor i Denmark or Jeg kommer fra Denmark. Jeg kommer fra Denmark. How does that sound? The next question we are going to learn is where does Frid live? In Danish, we can say it as Hvor bor Frid? Hvor bor Frid? The answer to the question is Frid live in Denmark. In Danish, we can say it as Frid bor i Denmark. Frid bor i Denmark. Do you get it? The next word we are going to learn is teller. Teller means speak. T-A-L-E-R. Teller. We will ask to somebody like, do you speak Danish or do you speak English? So now you can ask them in Danish like, do teller English or do teller Danish? The answer to the question is, I speak Danish or I speak English, isn't it? So in Danish you can tell them like, Jeg taler Danish or Jeg taler English. Do you get it? That's all about today's section. I hope you found this lesson helpful and that you're feeling more confident with Danish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more language tutorials. If you have any questions or want more topics covered, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.